Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to buy USDT in 2025. So if you also want to buy USDT in 2025, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So you can buy the USDT from various wallets. You can download the application like MetaMask, MoonPay, Binance, Bitget, etc. Here I'm just going to use the Binance application. If you also want to use the Binance application, make sure to install the application. You can install the Binance application from Play Store and App Store. Once you install the Binance application, all you have to do is open it. You can see over here Binance application has been opened. Make sure to create an account for yourself. If you're having problem creating an account, check out our video on how to create account on Binance. After that, you'll be able to create an account for yourself. Make sure you're logged into your account. Here I'm already logged into my account. You can see over here initially you'll be led to the markets interface. From this interface you'll be able to deposit the crypto. You can see the coins over here. So if you want to buy the USDT, all you have to do is look at bottom of your screen. Over here, you'll be able to find the option for markets, square, trade, discover and portfolio. Simply tap on the portfolio option that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the portfolio interface. Over here, you'll be able to see your total balance. Right below it, you'll be able to find the options for deposit and buy crypto. Simply tap on the option buy crypto that you can see right over here. Now you can see over here you'll have to choose the crypto. All you have to do is find the option for USDT, or you can also search for it. Simply tap on the search bar. Now type in USDT. Now over here you'll be able to find the option for USDT or Tether US. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be led to the buy interface. From here you'll be able to buy the USDT. Right now USD is selected as currency. Tap on it. Now from here you'll be able to choose the currency. Simply tap on the currency that you want to choose. Now all you have to do is enter the amount of USDT that you want to buy. You can also see the estimated quantity over here. Now all you have to do is tap on the option select payment method that you can see right over here. After that you'll have to select the payment method. Simply tap on the payment method that you want to choose. Now tap on the confirm option that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here you'll be able to preview the order. You can see several options over here. You'll be able to find the options for you pay, you receive. Also you'll be able to see the payment method that you've chosen right over here. Now all you have to do is tap on the option place order that you can see right over here on your screen. After that your order will be placed and previewed, and you'll be able to receive the USDT on your account. So that is how you buy USDT in 2025. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.